Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to change email in TikTok account. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, you need to open TikTok app. Now tap on right corner, three lines. Again tap setting and privacy. Then tap account. Now tap on username. Now tap email. Now select change email. So guys, enter new email. Now tap send code. So guys, receive verification email pin your email. Receive email and enter pin. So guys, tap get updates. So guys, successfully change your email.